YouTuber KSI accused of pump and dumps plus more NFT news. Seed Fadilpašić last updated, February 15, 2024 at 16:13 GMT +24 min read. Source, DAL3 top NFT news today, February 15, 2024. ZachXBT and Coffeezilla accuse KSI of pump and dumps. Pandora's sales volume over the month is nearly double that of Ordinals, and Pudgy Penguins' floor price flies high. NFT Market Data. The non-fungible token NFT market sales volume is just slightly down today compared to yesterday. It dropped less than 1% to $34,816,770, according to CryptoSlam. NFT buyers are up 2% over the past day. Sellers are down 8% and transactions 11%. Only 2 of the top 10 collections per sales volume have decreased over the past 24 hours. The popular 404-based Pandora fell 30% to 4.2 million, while DMarket dropped 5% to $757,178. Meanwhile, Art Blocks has had another good day. The collection is the day's bigger gainer. Its sales volume is up 588% to $774,173. Moonbirds, with a rise of 304% to $680,352, is the second best performer. The increase led it into the top 10 collections, now sitting in 10th place. YouTuber KSI accused of pump and dumps. Popular crypto investigators ZachXBT and Coffeezilla have accused YouTuber Olajide Alinka Williams Olatenji aka KSI of conducting several pump and dump schemes. KSI reopened his crypto-related Twitter account on Tuesday. He posted his first tweet on this account since November 2022. And this wasn't exactly welcome news, based on the comments, and one investigator was waiting. ZachXBT commented that KSI will share garbage again. ZachXBT went on to share projects the YouTuber had posted on his account, including XGAD Network XGAD and the NFT-focused Eternity chain ERN. After praising a project, he'd sell the coins within hours or days. For example, hours after tweeting that he was bullish on ERN, he sold $349,571 of it. When contacted by Coffeezilla, KSI replied that he is still hodl gang for those coins, meaning somebody who does not sell. But as to why he did sell XGAD, for example, KSI said that he wanted to make more money elsewhere to buy more XGAD, but failed. KSI went on to say that he didn't have any malicious intent in trying to scam, etc., and that he wished he was an evil genius that would pump and dump at the right time, etc., suggesting that he wasn't clever but bad at investing. Called out for inconsistencies, KSI claimed that he thought he was being trolled. Every time he tweets something, the opposite would happen. Hence, he said, he decided to tweet the opposite of what he was actually doing. Pandora's sales volume nearly double that of Ordinals. In other NFT news, the famous ERC404 token Pandora launched on February 2. In less than 2 weeks since its launch, it has hit $86,778,788, according to CryptoSlam. This is a notable rise. For context, uncategorized Ordinals are in second place per sales volume in the past 30 days with $44,045,731. This means that Pandora has nearly doubled that number in less than double that time. Other metrics are a different story, though. Uncategorized Ordinals have significantly more transactions, buyers, and sellers, despite the drop in numbers. Meanwhile, as reported, the popular ERC404 token recorded $180 million in trading volume just a week after its launch. Notably, 50% of these NFTs were retained in the wallets since the initial purchase without selling. Blockchain analytics firm Nansen AI described this as a quite impressive rate for a new project. But zooming out to the all-time best performers, Pandora still has ways to go. The top 10 group is populated with some of the world-famous collections, including Axie Infinity and Yuga Labs collections. Pandora is currently in the 80th place. Pudgy Penguins' floor price flies high. Pudgy Penguins is an 8,888-piece strong, ethereum-based NFT collection first launched in July 2021. It has been rising in popularity since. Its total volume is 293,837 ETH, according to the OpenSea marketplace. Meanwhile, the current floor price is 20.889 ETH. The floor price has been increasing for a while now. Over the past 90 days, it has gone up 257.3%. In mid-November, the price stood at 5.85 ETH. Following a relatively steady period within the 10-11 ETH range, it jumped from 11 ETH to nearly 20 ETH within a week in mid-January. Subsequently, the floor price reached 22 ETH on February 11 and again on February 12. Though the price has dropped 5% since, it has nonetheless reached notable heights. Pudgy Penguins' floor price, 90 days. As for related collections, Lil Pudgy's floor price is 2.02 ETH. This collection, too, has seen a significant increase over the past 90 days. The floor price is up 349% from 0.45 ETH recorded on November 17. It too jumped in mid-January from 0.875 ETH to 1.9655 ETH, then to 2.39 ETH on February 11. Its total volume is 52,872 ETH. Lil Pudgy's floor price, 90 days. Meanwhile, Pudgy Rod's floor price is 0.6169 ETH. Over the past 3 months, it has gone up 95% from 0.316 ETH. Its highest point was 1 ETH on January 27. The collection's total volume is 15,338 ETH. Follow us on Google News.